Hello, this is question 12 on your pure paper from June 2020, the AS paper from Edexcel, and you have an advertising agency is monitoring the number of views of an online advert this way, with this equation. V is the total number of views the first 3 days after the advert went live. So that V is a constant times a constant to the power of T. T is the time, V is the views. So give the value of A to the nearest whole number and give the value of B to 3 significant figures. So we are going to work with this expression and we are going to eliminate the logs. So we have log to the base 10 of V is 0.072T plus 2.379, which means that V is 10 to the power of all that. Yes, that's the definition of the logs. And now we are going to use the index logs to separate this thing here. So V is going to be 10 to the power of 0.072T times 10 to the power of 2379. Remember, when we multiply powers, we add the indices. So if we have this, we can separate them. This means that V is, I'm going to write this number first, and then I'm going to show you what we do with the other one. So this thing here is the same as having 10 to the power of 0.072 to the power of T. Again, using the properties of the index laws, because we multiply the exponents when we have a power to a power, remember? So we can write this as a number to the power of T, and that's what we are going to do. So times 10 to the power of 0.072 to the power of T. And this way, the expression is what we need. So we have a constant, which is this one, times another constant, which is this one, to the power of T. So this is A and this is B. A is going to be 10 to the power of 2379, which is 23933. They ask us to round A to the nearest whole number. So this is going to be 239, and then B is going to be 10 to the power of 0.072, which is 1.180, and we have to round this one to 3 significant figures, so 1.18. And those are the values of A and B, and the model will be A 239 times B to the power of T. And we are going to use this model now to answer anything that they ask. B, interpret with reference to the model the value of AB. AB, the product. AB is going to happen when T is 1. When T is 1, I have this one and this one times to the power of 1. So AB is V, so the views, the number of views when T is 1. One day. I would use units always. One day. Then, using the model, calculate the total number of views of the advert and in the first 20 days after the advert went live. 2 significant figures. So T is 20. We are going to use the model that we found with the constant we found. So V is 239 times 118. When T is 20, I just write that. So with the calculator, this is 6,546.93 views. We have to round to 2 significant figures. So this is going to be 6,500 views. And that's everything that I ask in this question.